Short I. What is our topic? Short I. Sound A. What is the short I sound? A. And everyone say with me. A. Okay, here there are two apples. One is in green color and other one is in red color. Big, big, big. If you remember, in our last class lesson, we have learned about this picture. P, A, K. P, A, K. When C and K comes together, they have one sound K. Pick, K. So what is the sound? Pick. So what is the word? Pick. Pick. So add short I sound to make the names of this animal. What is this? Chi, E, K. So write here I. What you are going to write here, boys? I. Chi, E, K. Chick. What is the sound of CH? CH has one sound. When C comes with H, if after C there is H, so what is the sound? Ch. What is the sound? Ch. Chick. Check. What other words can you think of? CH. Can you tell me, boys? Chair. First one is chair. Chair. The words which begins with CH. And we are going to write the words that starts with CH. First one you can write here, chair. I have written already. You can write it as well. Second one, chill. 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 Chair. Chill. Chill. Chill means when you are happy or when there is a little bit cold, what you say? Chill. Chair. Chill. Okay. Another word we will write clock. No, not clock, sorry. Okay. Who will say another word that starts with CH? Church. Church. You can say, here is not short I, but we can say church. Chair, chill, church. So what is the CH sound? Che, cha. And what is the sound of I? A. What is the sound of I? A. Understood? That's great. Okay. Tongue twister. Tongue twister. What is this, boys? Tongue twister. Number 2. What is the meaning of tongue twister? It means that a tongue twister, which is very difficult to say. Tongue twister is tongue twisters are the words, or you can say sentences that are very difficult to say. Actually, when we say some words, so our tongue twists. Twist means move. So our sound twists. Our tongue moves. So they are difficult to say. When you want to say these words, they are difficult to say. So that is called tongue twisters. Why they are tongue twisters? Because it is, our tongue will be twisted. So that is why they are called tongue twisters. So say each tongue twister 3 times. Have fun. Okay, first I'm going to say and then we are going to follow me. Okay, and then you are going to say it quickly. Okay, these sentences are tongue twisters. 6, 6, 6 sisters, 6 sisters. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sisters, 6 sisters sing, sing, sing. 6 sisters sings to 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, sick, sick, sheep. 6 sisters sing to 6, sick sheep. So they are saying there are 3 sisters and they are singing to 6 sheeps. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. So here are 6 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. What is the meaning of sick? Maurice. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. Stay with me, boys. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. These are called tongue twisters. So say with me, boys. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheeps. These are difficult. I know. My tongue is twisted. So when you say it again and again, your tongue will also be twisted. 6 sisters, 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheeps. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheeps. Okay, next sentence. How many, many, how many sticks, how many sticks can a big big check kick? Again, you can see CH came and CK came. When CH came, ch sound will come, and CK will come, ka sound will come. How many sticks can a big chick kick? How many big how many sticks can a big chick kick? Here are 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many sticks are here? 5. How many sticks can a big chick kick? How many sticks can a big chick kick? How many sticks can a big chick kick? So here are 5 sticks. How many sticks can a big chick kick? When you say it fast, fast, your tongue will be twisted. How many sticks can a big chick kick? How many sticks can a big chick kick? You have to read it faster. So when you read faster, your tongue will automatically be twisted. So it will be a bit difficult for you. How many sticks can a big chick kick? Pick, pick, pick a big fig, fig. Big a, pick a big fig, pick a big fig. B, fa a g, fig. Pick a big fig. As you know, in Taif, the fig are very famous. Teen. Okay. Pick a big fig. Fig. We have already also in conversation, we have studied this fruit. Pick a big fig. Okay. Say with me faster. Pick a big fig. Pick a big fig. Pick a big fig. When you say it fast, your tongue will be twisted again. Okay. Let me start from the top. 6 sisters sing to 6 sick sheep. How many sticks can a big chick kick? Pick a big fig. Okay. Moving on to the next page. Here we are going to write a study SH sound. In the last paper, we have studied CH sound, ch and sha. SH means sha. We read it SH. SH sound, sh. Okay, this is a phonics story. Read and listen. Listen to the sound of sha. SH means sha in fish. Listen again. Which words do you hear with the start short I sound? Fix it fish. Fix it fish means a fish can saleh. Fix it fish. Fix it fish. Number 1. This fish, this fish, this fish can fix fix things. This fish can fix things. This fish can fix things means she can fix them. They can make them in their working again. So read with me. This fish can fix things. Okay. SH sound sh and I sound a. Number 2. What can you see in the picture, boys? I can fix this ship. What is ship? Safina. I can fix this ship. He is fixing a ship. He is fixing a ship. He is fixing a ship. What is S sound? Sh. SH sound. Sh. He is fixing a ship. Here the fish is saying, I can fix this ship. I can fix this ship. I can fix this ship. He is fixing a ship. Okay, number 3. There are some swings in the sea. So the swing is broken. This is called a swing. When you go in the park, what you do? You play on swing. It is broken. Maksur. Can you fix it? Yes, I can. He is fixing a swing. He is fixing a swing. He is fixing a swing. Can you fix it? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. The small fishes are asking the big fix-it fish that can you fix this swing? He can say, he is saying, can you fix it? The baby fish are saying, can you fix it? And big fish is saying, yes, I can. Yes, I. Fish is saying, yes, I can. Yes, I can. What we say, yes, I can in Arabic? Iwa and أقدر. Yes, I can. He is fixing a swing. Okay, let's see number 4 and 5. What you can see in the picture 4 and 5, there is a bird and there is a fish. See here carefully. Can you fix my wing, please? Can you fix my wing, please? Yes, I can. Just a minute. Just a minute. He can fix tails, fins, and wings. He can fix tails, fins. These green things are called fins, and wings. Look, bird has wings. We can fix tails, fins, and wings. The fish is using here her fins. These are the wings. Birds fly with wings. So these are the wings. See it with me, boys. He can fix tails, fins, and wings. He can fix tails, fins, and wings. Now the bird is saying, can you fix my wing, please? Can you fix my wing, please? Look, her wing is broken. So the fixed fish is saying, yes, I can. Just a minute. Yes, I can. Just a minute. Thank you, fix it fish. Thank you, fix it fish. This fish name is Fix It. Okay. Fix It fish is saying, thank you, Fix It fish. The bird is saying to the Fix It fish, thank you. And Fix It fish is saying, you are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you, Fix It fish. You are welcome. He can fix tails, fins, and swings. So all of them are thanking the fix-it fish. And the fix-it fish is saying, you are welcome. Marhaba, you are welcome. Okay, I hope you have understood today's lesson. It was very easy. In this lecture, we have learned the sound of short I, CH, and SH sound. So what you are going to do, you are going to practice reading. I can fix this ship. He is fixing a ship. He is fixing a swing. Can you fix it? Yes, I can. Can you fix my wing, please? Yes, I can. Just a minute. He can fix tails, fins, and wings. Thank you, Fix-It Fish. You are welcome. Okay. This was your